Hello students, today we are going to start 11th chapter of class 8th mensuration. In this chapter we will discuss some problem related to the perimeter and area. So first we have to know about what is perimeter and what is area. Perimeter of any plane figure is the distance around it, and whereas the area is the part of the plane occupied by the closed figure. Before start exercise 11.1, we will discuss about the perimeter and area of some figures. So first figure is a rectangle. Area of rectangle is length multiplied by its breadth, whereas the perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Our next figure is a square. So area of square is equal to side multiplied by side, whereas the perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiplied by its side. Our next figure is a triangle, and area of triangle is equal to half multiplied by its base multiplied by its height, and perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of its all side. Our next figure is a parallelogram. So area of a parallelogram is equal to base multiplied by its height, and perimeter of parallelogram is equal to sum of its all side. Our next and last figure is a circle. So area of a circle is equal to pi multiplied by radius square, whereas the perimeter of circle, we can say its circumference, is equal to 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by r. First question of exercise 11.1 is a square and a rectangular field with measurement as given in the figure have the same perimeter. Which field has larger area? So first we will write a statement from the question, and it is given in the question that side of a square is equal to 60 meter. Length of the rectangular field is equal to 80 meter, and it is given in the question that perimeter of rectangle is equal to perimeter of square. We can write 2 multiplied by L plus B in the place of rectangle and 4 multiplied by side in place of square. After substituting value from the question, we have 2 multiplied by 80 plus B is equal to 4 multiplied by 60. After solving this, we have breadth is equal to 40 meter. In the next step, we have to find out the area of square field and area of rectangular field. To find out area of square field, we have to multiply its side by itself. So after multiplying 60 by 60, we have 3600 square meter. And to find out area of rectangular field, we have to multiply its length by its breadth. So after multiplying this, we have 3200 square meter. So it is clear from this from the area of both the square and rectangle that area of square field is larger than area of rectangular field. To the second question, and second question is Mrs. Kosik has a square plot with the measurement as shown in the figure. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. A garden is developed around the house. Find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of rupees 55 per meter square. As it is given in the question that side of square plot is equal to 25 meter. From here we can calculate area of square plot. For this we have to multiply its side by itself. So we have 25 multiplied by 25, and it is 625 meter square. After that we have to find out the area of the house. which is rectangular in shape. So its area is equal to length multiplied by its breadth. Value of length is equal to 20 meter and value of breadth is equal to 15 meter. So from here we have area of house is equal to 300 meter square. To find out area of garden, we have to subtract area of house from the area of square plot. After subtracting area of house from the area of square plot, we have 325 meter square. It is also given in the question that rate of developing of the garden is rupees 55 per meter square. So cost of developing the garden is equal to 55 multiplied by area of garden, it is 325. So cost of developing the garden is equal to rupees 17,875. Next question is, the shape of a garden is rectangular in the middle and circular at the end as shown in the diagram. Find the area and the perimeter of this garden. Length of rectangle is equal to 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5 meter. So it is given in the question that total length of the diagram is 20 meter and diameter of the semicircle on the both end is equal to 7 meter. From here we can calculate radius of the semicircle and it is 3.5 meter. So length of the rectangular field is equal to 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5 is equal to 13 meter and breadth of the rectangular field is 7 meter. From here we can calculate area of rectangular field and it is length multiplied by breadth, it means 91 meter square. Now we have to calculate area of the two semicircle. So area of semicircle is equal to half of the area of circle, but we have to find out area of two semicircles, so we are going to multiply this formula by 2. After solving this we have 38.5 meter square. To find out total area of garden, we have to add area of rectangular field and area of two semicircle. After adding we have 129.5 meter square. To find out perimeter of this garden, first we will find out perimeter of two semicircle and it is 2 multiplied by pi r and its answer is 22 meter. Hence the perimeter of the garden is equal to 22 plus 13 and it is 48 meter. Fourth question is, a flooring tile has the shape of a parallelogram whose base is 24 cm and the corresponding height is 10 cm. How many such tiles are required to cover a floor of area 1080 meters square? If required, you can split the tile in whatever way you want to fill up the corners. So first we will write a statement from the question, and it is given in the question that base of flooring tile is equal to 24 cm. Height of the flooring tile is equal to 10 cm. As we all know that area of parallelogram is equal to base multiplied by height. So from here we can easily calculate area of one flooring tile and it is 240 square centimeter. It is given in the question that area of floor is equal to 1080 meters square. Now we have to convert this area into centimeter square. For this we have to multiply 1080 meters square by 100 multiply by 100. After converting area into centimeter square. We have to find out number of the tile required to cover the floor. For this, we have to divide area of floor by area of one tile. After dividing area of floor by area of one tile, we have 45,000, and it means 45,000 tiles are required to cover the floor. Last question of this exercise is an ant is moving around a few food pieces of different shapes scattered on the floor. For which food piece would the ant have to take a longer round? Remember, circumference of a circle can be obtained by using the expression circumference is equal to 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle. To find out the perimeter of this food piece, first we have to find out its radius, and as we all know that radius is equal to diameter divided by 2, so its answer is 1.4 centimeter. Total distance covered by the ant is equal to 2.8 plus 2 pi r divided by 2, and its answer is 7.2 centimeter. Again we will find out the radius of the circle, and it is diameter by 2 is equal to 1.4 centimeter. So now total distance covered by the ant is equal to 1.5 plus 2.8 plus 1.5 plus 2 pi r by 2. So its answer is 10.2 centimeter. For the third particle of food, again we have to find out its radius, and it is 1.4 centimeter square. Now total distance covered by the ant is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 pi r by 2, and its answer is 4.8 centimeter. So for figure B food piece, ant would take a longer round.